Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami dragon just like this one. This video is an updated version of the first origami I taught here on YouTube. This version has a step-by-step similar to a crane, but it has some different details at the end. It's the easiest origami dragon I know, and I hope you like it. To make this model, you will only need a square sheet of paper. In this video I'll use 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches. As the first step, we have to fold the paper in half along both diagonals, making something like an X. To do this, just bring one corner to the other, like this, and reinforce the middle. Now unfold, and having this diagonal ready, let's fold the paper in the opposite direction. And then we unfold. Now that we have our X, we can turn the paper over and fold it in half, horizontally and vertically. We'll bring the bottom side to the top, unfold it, and now for the vertical, let's bring the right side to the left. Having these marks ready, we can turn the paper over and push the four corners towards the center, closing it like this. Let's keep the paper in the same position with the open side down and reinforce it very well. Now, starting with the right side, let's take the lower diagonal edge of the first layer and bring it to the middle, making a new diagonal fold. So we just need to bring it carefully, aligning everything as perfectly as possible. And then we make a crease. Having done that with the right side, we can repeat the same thing with the left. So just bring the edge to the middle and reinforce. Now we can unfold both. And for the next step, we're going to have to open the first layer like this. And then, using the lines we just made, we are going to bring both sides to the middle. First the right, and then the left. Let's try to align everything very well, reinforcing what's necessary. And we have a new flap. Now let's turn it over and repeat the same thing with this side. First we'll bring the edges to the middle, then we unfold it, open the first layer, and using the lines that we made, let's bring both sides to the middle. This is the result. Keeping this position, let's fold a new diagonal on the right side. Just like before, we'll have to bring the diagonal edge to the middle and reinforce. The right side is ready. Let's fold the same diagonal on the left. Having done that, let's turn the paper over and repeat the same thing here on the other side. First the right side to the middle, and then the left side to the middle as well. From now on, we are going to make the details of the dragon. So, let's open the right side like this. Then we are going to bring this part to the side. Next, let's close the same part by bringing the middle crease up. Basically, we just reverse the paper. Now we're going to close the right side again, but now over this part we just reversed. This fold needs to be about this angle here, but you can change it a bit if you want. Now you just need to repeat the same thing here on the other side, leaving the fold at the same height. Then we fold these larger flaps down. Now pay close attention. Up here in the middle we have this triangle. For the next step we're going to hold the two larger flaps and pull them to the sides, causing this same triangle to inflate, to open, like this. The middle part will be easier, but the corners will take a little more work, so I recommend you to be very careful. Once we have this part open, we're going to have to close it again, but this time in a way that only the middle part is on top. To do that, just pinch the paper like this and push the sides towards the middle. It will more or less get the correct shape automatically. Just watch and try to repeat the same. This will give us a nice detail on the back. Now let's make the wings. Let's take one of these larger flaps and fold the diagonal edge to the horizontal just above. Let's turn it over. Repeat the same thing with the other. And now we can unfold this. The wing was divided into two. For the next step, we're going to take the bottom part and fold in half. Next, we're going to fold in half the top part as well.